Um, in this session, we'll be seeing about regression and specifically about linear regression. Okay, so here what is meant by actually regression? So, regression means like how one variable affects another variable. That is the impact of your independent variable on your dependent variable, and the pattern of your dependent variable, how it is based on your independent variable. That is actually regression. Yes. So now we are going to take the same example as we have seen in correlation. It is this very same example if you see. So here, if you see the, we have similarly the respondents, 14 respondents I have. My independent variable is going to be number of hours they are studying, which is going to be, I'm considering it as X. And the dependent variable is like number, depending on the number of hours I'm studying, what marks I'm going to get. Okay, that is my dependent variable. Okay, which is denoted by Y. So I have the data here. Now you have actually similar to correlation, you can find regression also using three methods. One is going to data analysis and selecting regression and making your analysis there. Next thing is using functions. You don't have explicit functions like we had in correlation. We have only what to say, indirectly related functions like intercept, slope, and linus function. I'll tell you how you have to work on it. And the third method is using your chart method. So let us go to the first method using data analysis tool. It is very same as we have seen in correlation. What you have to do is you have to go and check in data. If you don't have data analysis tool, you have to enable the data analysis tool. So how you're going to enable it is like select file, then click more, then click options. Once you click options, what you have to do, you have to go and select add-ins. Okay, so in add-ins, like no active application add-ins is found is given here. So then go to manage, go, click go. Okay, once you click go, give the analysis tool pack. Okay, so after that click OK. So once you do it, you'll find the in the same data tab, you'll find the analysis part area, and you'll have data analysis here. So now what you have to do is just go to data again, data analysis. Once you select it, it is loading on. Um, Let us wait. Yes. Now you get the analysis tools here. Just go on to regression, then click OK. Now it is asking for input range, okay, which is Y, input Y range. So I'm going to select my Y range entirely. Then input X range. I'm going to select this X range fully. Okay, then what you have to select is you have to select labels, because I want labels like number of hours studying and all those things I needed. So I'm studying, selecting the labels. Then I have to select. Um, Wait, I have to select the entire thing. It asks whether you need labels or not. So then you have to select the entire range here. Then for this X range also, I'm selecting the entire range. Okay, and then I'm selecting labels. Then output range, obviously it will open in a new worksheet. And I'm going to select that I need some plots. Like I'm going to give, I need a residual plot, a normal probability plot I need. So if you want, you can select others also, other plots also here. I'm just selecting to show you. So just give okay. So now you can see, obviously, like you have got the data here, right? So in a new sheet for regression, it has opened it out and you can find your regression statistics here. Your regression values are being provided. Then also you will be having intercepts and all. see intercept you have, then also you have the slope values. Okay, so this is the method where you can go for data analysis. If you wanted an in-depth analysis, you can just unselect any other options available also. Okay, so next thing is using functions. We are going to select do it. So for that, you have to know a formula which is nothing but y is equal to mx plus a. So which states the relationship of your dependent and independent variable. We'll be finding it. Okay. So how we'll be doing it is, you're already, we know y is my dependent variable, x is my independent variable, and m is my slope, and a is actually the intercept. So how we are going to find it is actually, I'm going to give equal to, if I wanted to find the intercept, okay, equal to intercept of, so known y values. So this is my y values, comma, then known x values. Then just give enter. Okay, so you get your intercept value. If I wanted to find the slope value, I'm going to give equal to slope of y value, then comma x values. Okay, and give enter. So this is the slope value. If you could see, it would be the same as we have seen here. Okay, can you just observe it? This is our intercept, and actually this is the slope. So 44 and the 3.66. If you could see, they are the same values here. So how this formula actually works is, we'll be going by the relation y is equal to, what is our mx value, which is 3.66, uh 3.66. X we don't know, so we don't know means we are going to substitute it, plus my a value is nothing but 44.18. Okay, so what we are going to do is, like each value of y can be found out by substituting here the x value. Okay, so I'll be substituting equal to 3.66 into, let us say, this x value, I'm going to substitute it here. Okay, into plus 44.18. So you could see 77.12. Okay, so this is how the formula works. We can find the value of y by finding the intercept and the slope and the x values, which this value will be like almost similar to your y value approximately. Okay, nearby it will be there. Now, this is how your data analysis and your functions works. Apart from this, let us say I don't want to use separate formulas, intercept and slope separately. I wanted to, at a time, I need to get the values of intercept and slope. So there is also a function for it, which is nothing but linest function. Okay, equal to linest. Okay, linest of my known values of y, comma, known values of x. Okay, just give enter. You could see the magic. Okay, so you see, obviously you're getting your both the values, your slope as well as your intercept value. So this is using the linest function. Okay, very simple. So now we have also seen the second methods, two methods we have seen. Next method what we are going to see is using chart. Okay, how you plot a chart. See, already here you will be getting normal probability plot as well as residual plots and other plots we see. But let us say I want only using chart. Okay, I want a scatter plot, a simple scatter plot. Then what you can do is, like as we have seen in correlation, just go on to insert, go on to the scatter plots. Okay, before going on to the scatter plots, select the data here. Okay, mm, go on here, just give scatter plots. That's all. Okay, so now you can see we are going to just edit the internal axis titles alone. So just give here axis titles. You will get the values here. Then if you want data labels, you can just add the labels here, otherwise it's not needed. So the x-axis is nothing but number of hours studying, number of hours studying, then y-axis is going to be exam, exam marks. Okay, so this is going to be my y-axis. Then here you can just find what is it, number of hours studying versus exam marks. Okay, so this is how you will be getting your scatter plot value. Okay, now in the same thing, like if I wanted a trend line, okay, one more concept is here. Just click it, just give it here, select the plus, then just give trend line. Okay, select it here, then select this option. You'll have an arrow mark, just give more options. Then you can select linear here. Okay, linear line here, then go to paint. I want the trend line to be much more darker and the dash type should be thicker one. And I'll paint my one with yellow color. Then what we can do, this is going to be my trend line. Then one more option you have, like in the trend line options, if you come down, you'll be seeing an option, display equation on the chart. Okay, just select this text, select it. Okay, you'll find the equation, your regression equation here. Y is equal to 3.669 plus x plus 44.189. Okay, this is how your value works. And if you wanted to, just change your chart colors, you can just change it depending on your needs or your preferences or something like that. Okay, so this is how your regression works. With this we have completed the measures of dispersion, like mean, variance, standard deviation, coefficient of variance we have completed, then correlation, and now regression also we have completed.